How to maintain the brush rolls on your Shark Performance lift-away. 0M actively removes hair as you vacuum. The top nozzle brush roll garage allows for quick and easy maintenance. Before performing any maintenance, be sure to turn off and unplug the vacuum. To begin, slide the brush roll access buttons up and the garage will pop open. Although the 0M brush roll is not removable, it can be easily accessed. Use your hands or scissors to carefully remove any other debris in and around the brush roll. The soft brush roll is removable. Just grab the pull tab on the right side to remove. Then wipe clean with a dry towel. Next, reinsert the soft roller under the rubber bumper just in front of the nozzle. You will know it's properly inserted when you hear a click. To close, insert the 3 tabs in the top of the lid into the 3 slots in the nozzle and push down firmly on both sides until it clicks into place. Easily enough, you're back to cleaning. For additional support, visit sharkclean.com.